mountains of Sleepy Hollow, in the blossom of one of those spacious coves which indents the eastern shore of the Hudson, and that broad expansion of the river denominated by the ancient Dutch navigators the Tapping Zee, and where they always reluctantly shortened sail and implored the protection of St. Nicholas when they crossed. There lies a small market town or rural park, which by some is called Greensburg, but which is more generally and properly known by the name of Tarrytown.